We're going to put vinyl floor and we want to lower the doors down, but without having an electric brush and not having to buy it using more common tools. In this video, we'll see how I did it. The first thing I did was measure the amount of wood he wanted to remove. Considering I don't have an electric brush, or I'm considering buying one,
since I would only use it for this one.
Again and again it wouldn't work, as the blade looks 2 minutes ago.
Which means I'm gonna take 4.
So there won't be any problems in the long run. After holding the door as best I could with these sergeants, I first started trying this carpenter's brush or garlop, but it was not possible. The tool must be very good, sharp, and know how to use it. Besides, I was moving a lot of the whole base. And just as it looks, it didn't work well. Second, I tried this belt sander that sands really well and eats quite a bit of material. But despite that, I realized that to lower 4 millimeters each door was going to make me eternal, and I could burn my machine by overheating. So the third option, it was with a slicing machine, but nothing more to begin with. I realized that the first saw was chipping me in. So I changed, and I put this special saw for cut my mine. What do straight teeth have? And besides, she was new. The result was very good even. I cut the staples that he was carrying to the door. Once cut now. I did smooth with the belt sander, checked with the ruler that the cut was straight, and we went back to the areas where we saw some ripples.
Or difference in cutting.
Once the first door was cut, we repeated the operation with the rest we need. Then we paint them. We got a video on the channel explaining, like we did. And how can you see there's no Rosan on the floor? If you liked the video, I hope you give me the one I liked, subscribe, and watch my other videos from the channel. Anything you can ask me. In the comments, I usually respond pretty quickly. Greetings and see you in the next video.